this is gonna be a week in my life, and the video is just gonna be random clips. So, yeah, here are the videos. Are you videoing me? Yeah. We finally arrived early for...
On time.
Oh wow, they're still preparing.
I have matcha something. Matcha latte. Hey.
Here.
This is the
Dapat papasok yung DI sa office. Diba?
Musician talk.
Papunta siya sa mixer. Yeah, papuntang mixer. Dapat huli yung multi. Basta yung... Ay, huli nga yung multi.
picture with our favorite band.
A band.
Yes.
You're very hyped for a band.
I'm praying for it.
Amen. Oh?
Huh?
Amen. Oh?
Amen. You know who?
Guitar, guitar.
Chords mo eka, C sharp.
Happy birthday to you. Kuya Kyle, where is he? Kuya Kyle. Hey, you're the stage manager. Air.
Oh.
Wow.
Wala pa no ko.
Nice.
It's a book. Tapos, both hands is both.
Right hand. We're done with you. Woo! Go at the calf. Yay! How's our chaotic ex nonchalant duo?
I'm the chaotic one.
I'm the one that made this duo possible. Just kidding, just kidding. Ding, 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 ding. Sorry po, sorry po. That's our score. Hala! Malulunod tayo! Yay! Oh, ba't nakahiles? Ano kayo dyan? Yeah! Where the hell? Sino? Ay, dun nga pala sa pinball. Magaling ka mag-pinball. Yeah. The fit. We are here in Prasati building in the GMA collection.
Applause for Howie Severino. Also here with us is John Consulta. And of course, Matt Gonzalez. And Cara David. You're the architect they spent their time to join us this afternoon. Hosts, thank you so much. We're really excited to learn so much from you. Are you guys excited to hear from our eyewitness hosts?
Ay lupa at alahas, kundi mga karanasan. Bakit? Because experience becomes stories. And stories are very, very powerful. Masasabi nga natin na nasa pangalan na ng eyewitness yan. Diba? Eyewitness.
But documentary precedes eyewitness by many decades, and there's a very long tradition of documentary in the world. In fact, the first movies were documentaries, were non-fiction.
At hindi na ako mabilang ng mga operations ng mga law enforcement laban po sa organized crime. Isa nga,
The people you interview. You're not the story, you are the storyteller. Huwag kalilimutan yan. And 23 years
Sana maging part ng eyewitness
Si
team.
Cheska.
Dahil medyo bitin ang ating Q&A, you'd love to hear any last wisdom that they would want to share with you. Let's start with John Consulta.
muli po maraming po salamat sa inyong pakikinig. Pero sana hindi matapos dito. Hindi yung after ng picturean, after ng masayang mga selfies, tapos na. Marami pang gagawin. Samahan niyo kami. At sa kapangyarihan ng storya, baguhin natin ang mundo natin in whatever way we can. Maraming salamat po mag-work.
Thank you so much, John. Now let's have Ma'am Gonzalez.
Kung nagda-doubt kayo sa sarili ninyo, use that doubt para i-prove yung worth ninyo. If you want to be a journalist, never make it a hindrance. Kung bata kayo, inexperienced kayo, you can only gain experience by doing it. So, just do it. If ever you're scared, always ask advice from your mentors. Do not be afraid to ask for help. Thank you, and we hope na lalo na yung mga nasa Jordan that you continue sa Jordan and na makita namin kayo sa field in the future. Thank you po.
Thank you, Miss Ma'am. Now let's hear it from Atom Araulio.
Ako ay magpapasalamat lang. Thank you very much for spending your Tuesday with us. Nag-enjoy kami sa pagkukwento at we're also cheering for you, for your batch of future journalists and storytellers, and we look forward to the stories that you will create. Thank you very much.
And now let's have Mr. Howie Severino's parting words. Let's go. Sabi dito.
Sana ma-realize nyo kung gaano ka-historic tong occasion na to dahil ngayon lang talaga kami nagsama sa EDCA. Hindi lang to masterclass para sa inyo, para din, at least for me, speaking for myself, ang dami kong natutunan sa mga colleagues ko. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo sa UST, lalo na sa mga colleagues ko ng Eyewitness for organizing such a landmark event. Tinanong kanina si Cara, what's next for you? Another 25 years of Eyewitness, so see you in 25 years. Let's have a reunion. I'll be
80. Kaya. 75 ako.
Thank you so much, Sir Howie. And of course, last but not least, Cara David.
Alright. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga estudyante na nandito ngayon. My teacher heart is full and my documentarist heart is full. Kasi umabot na kami sa point na, alam mo yun, dahil sa patuloy na ang daming bashing sa media, yung mga problemang kinakaharap ng media, yung marami kaming challenges na kinakaharap sa larangan ng media. Tuwan-tuwa kami na meron pa rin mga bata katulad ninyo na nag-aspire pa rin pumasok sa journalism. Kasi importanteng pillar of democracy ang journalism. And kayo yung iniisip namin na magtutuloy ng ginagawa namin. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo. Sana ipagpatuloy ninyo yung pagtahak ng mundo ng periodismo kasi kailangan ito ng bansa natin.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
Ngayon na naman pala yung sticker ah.
Itatahi ko na to.
I did, the rest of the days I just did schoolwork. Like that. But we should study the media. And final version. Or museum. Another one, August 23. Just one page.
Forest, please heed my words and accept my blessings. May your spring of wondrous magic never run dry. And may all who call you their home lead happy, fulfilling lives.
Hey, look at that. Huh. Sweet. That's so cute. Pretty. Let's go. Aww. Hi.
Hi, kid.
You're just there.
Dapat wala. Hindi kahit ito wala, meron.
Color shopping.
Nandun sa labas. Nandun sa ano. Hinahanap ko. Oh, it's fine.